Good morning to all of you young ladies and gentlemen who have gathered here from many countries and our esteemed guests present on this live event. It is a matter of honor to inaugurate this first ever Student Summit, an initiative of GIS UAE, and is being hosted virtually this year. We are here today because we all have shared a dream to create and build a sustainable future for ourselves. Let us all understand that at the very heart of this dream lie the opportunity that we are able to create for ourselves. You are the future citizens of this world. With a lot of hope and expectation that I welcome you all to this grand opening of the first Global Student Summit. We all want to work for a beautiful planet. Let me share a recent story about one of your own GIS alumni. There was a bright girl from India who lived in Lucknow. Her dream was to become an aerospace engineer and exploring possibilities to change the world for sustainable development. She studied at GIS Singapore and with the help of Global Citizen Scholarship, studied hard and was a near perfect topper in the International Baccalaureate IBDP program with 44 points. After completing the university, she became a fellow at NASA and then joined the SpaceX program. Do you guys know SpaceX? Or you must have heard of Elon Musk. The SpaceX recently launched a mission that took 2 astronauts to the International Space Station. Well, this young girl had the opportunity to work in SpaceX on the Falcon 9 legs, which allows the space capsule to connect and dock to the space station. Today, she is being recognized as one of the youngest Indian in the SpaceX program. That young girl is Kanika Garkha, a proud alumnus of GIS. So whoever watched the live visuals coming from the SpaceX module, remember there's a small piece of GIS in that space. She is now propelling the many ideas she has to change the world. Today, as I see, many of you here with brilliant ideas who wish to contribute to the environment, sustainability and governance, I say go for it. If you have the conviction that you have a great idea, try it. Check the feasibility, especially commercial feasibility, and see if that works. The Global Student Exchange is a platform to come together and work on big ideas for all of you to showcase your high potential caliber required to tackle the global and local challenges. This you can do by using technology, using data, using digital tools in a sustainable and effective way, and ensuring that they are inclined towards care, well-being of the society, and with a sense of empathy and human touch, as just one of our recent LLS speakers talked about. We encourage everyone to explore innovative solutions, however big or small they may be, to present and the future challenges of the society. We encourage you to dream and explore ideas like sea cleaner machines, which will eradicate the plastics from the oceans. We encourage you to come up with self-watering plants, which will mean a green environment in your backyard. Today, I read about how some new office buildings in Singapore's central business district are actually going to have vegetable gardens around the office building. Just 3 months back, vegetables were thought to be in remote farms outside the city. See how the world is changing. As everyone agrees, the COVID-19 pandemic has brought humans much closer to the nature. Now everyone loves to be near the nature and wants the nature to play an important role in their lives. We sincerely hope that the young students will make environment an integral part of whatever you do. There are challenges too. Sometimes people just use the platform of environment and make speeches just to enhance their personal goals, but personally care little about the real damage caused to the environment. You know, Greta Thunberg was absolutely right. Maybe she could have chosen a better language, but she said it correctly. The damage to the environment is real. But unfortunately, humanity is caught between the selfish economic and political interests and may not care about the environment. As we pursue our purpose of building the trust in our society and solving important problems. We know the problem is more critical than the challenge of sustaining our planet or future generations. That is why we would like you to be active supporters of the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG. As you are all aware, as launched in 2015, the Sustainable Development Goals are the ambitious series of 17 goals and 169 targets for 2030 aimed at tackling climate change and ending extreme poverty, fighting inequality and injustice. The biggest chance of achieving these SDGs is if everyone is aware of them and works collaboratively and consciously to fulfill those targets. There is no plan B because we do not have planet B. We have to work and galvanize our minds, and GSS is the perfect platform to do so. This is our contribution to the larger objective of nurturing planet to a brighter, sustainable future. Not only does the theme of this summit align with the educational values put forth by the Global Schools Foundation, but it also offers students to learn and experience a new culture in an immersive learning environment. According to us, an obvious connection can be made to reducing poverty, maternal health, children's rights, and human rights if we are more educated and responsible global citizens in even the remotest corners of the world. Our aim is to imprint this in the minds of every GIS student, and we should not become rhetorical. We have to be realistic, practical, and reasonable. We can't solve this problem overnight, but we can solve it together over a reasonable time frame, and that's provided we start now. One of the most important aspects of 9 GEMS that you're all familiar with, it's holistic learning of entrepreneurship and leadership, are the skills that GIS students can learn to awaken and cultivate meaningful contributions to the Sustainable Development Goals. I sincerely hope that the Global Students Summit 2020 will lead to innovative deliberations on all the different aspects of SDG, and you will all come up with the best course of actions that will lead to a better, healthier, and a happy world. I wish you all a great success. Thank you.